NFT. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have been making waves in the world of art, entertainment, and technology. In simple terms, an NFT is a unique digital asset that is stored on a blockchain, allowing for proof of ownership and authenticity. But there's much more to this technology than just that. In this article, we will explore what NFTs are, how they work, and why they have become such a popular topic of discussion. What are NFTs? NFTs are digital assets that are stored on a blockchain. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, which are fungible, meaning they are interchangeable and have the same value, NFTs are unique and cannot be replicated. They are often used to represent artwork, music, videos, or any other digital asset that has value. How do NFTs work? NFTs are created using blockchain technology, which allows for a decentralized and secure method of storing data. When an NFT is created, it is given a unique digital signature that is stored on the blockchain. This digital signature is what makes the NFT unique and ensures that it cannot be replicated. When an NFT is sold, the ownership of the digital asset is transferred to the buyer. The transaction is recorded on the blockchain, allowing for proof of ownership and authenticity. This is what makes NFTs so valuable, as they can be used to prove ownership of a digital asset that would otherwise be difficult to prove. Why are NFTs so popular? NFTs have become incredibly popular in recent years for a few key reasons. First, they allow for the creation and sale of unique digital assets that have value. This has opened up new opportunities for artists, musicians, and other creators to monetize their work in ways that were previously not possible. Second, NFTs are a new and exciting use case for blockchain technology. They are pushing the boundaries of what is possible with decentralized networks and have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about ownership and value. Finally, NFTs have captured the attention of collectors and investors who see them as a new and exciting asset class. Some NFTs have sold for millions of dollars, making them one of the most talked about investment opportunities in recent years. Examples of NFTs. NFTs can take many different forms, from digital art to virtual real estate. Here are a few examples of some of the most popular types of NFTs. Digital art. NFTs have become a popular way to sell digital artwork. Artists can create a unique piece of digital art and then sell it as an NFT, allowing them to prove ownership and authenticity of the artwork. Music. Musicians can also sell their music as NFTs. This allows them to monetize their work and provide fans with a unique and valuable digital asset. Virtual real estate. NFTs can also be used to represent virtual real estate in online worlds like Decentraland or Somnium Space. This allows for the creation of unique and valuable virtual spaces that can be bought and sold as NFTs. Sports memorabilia. Sports teams and athletes are also getting in on the NFT craze. NFTs can be used to represent unique pieces of sports memorabilia, such as game-worn jerseys or championship rings. The future of NFTs. NFTs have only been around for a few years, but they have already had a significant impact on the world of art, entertainment, and technology. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see even more innovative uses of NFTs in the years to come. One potential area of growth for NFTs is in the gaming industry. Subscribe.